Hey guys, morning. Welcome to the next vlog. This one is going to be very special as we are planning for Bangalore to Madurai Meenakshi Temple. So, one of the much awaited and much planned trip we had. So, after Madurai, there's gonna be a lot of adventure. We are just now crossing Electronic City. We are approaching near Chandapura. So this is a 500-kilometer journey to Madurai. So time is around 8 o'clock in the morning. So we are already feeling the traffic, by trying to getting the outskirts of Bangalore. However, we are trying our level best. Let's see how this trip is going to be. I want you to support this trip by sharing one like or a comment. That makes a lot of support for us. So please watch till the end for the mesmerizing journey to Madurai Meenakshi Temple. Finally, guys, after all the traffic, we are now crossing the Karnataka Tamil Nadu border. So, this is the most classical way to go towards Tamil Nadu, so which is via Hosur. We are now in Atti Bele. So, this is the Atti Bele toll. This is the last toll of Karnataka, and right after this, we will also be able to see welcome board from Tamil Nadu. Welcome to the factory city, Hosur. So a lot of memories. Born and brought up very close to this place, and this is a go-to place for buying flowers. If you ever want to buy flowers in discount, this is the go-to place. And from here you can connect to a lot of other places. You can see the most famous right side. We have a temple. If you take a left from here, you can go to Sarjapura. There is this pending under construction happening in this area. So right side, if you observe, this is the longest under construction stretch. It's not completed yet. This is the famous curve section. After just you bypass this Hosur, that's where you get this curvy section. I really like this section, especially if you are on bikes. This place is really good for cornering. You get a typical, kind of smooth curves over here. This is where we are gonna fuel our vehicle. So guys, take a look at it. So we are now served with banana leaf, and we got all the chutneys. And the waiter would come there, and they'll directly give you whatever you ask. They would already have idli and dosa, so it gets. Guys, we got this famous idli.
We got this famous one plate idli where they'll give two numbers quantity. The idli is soft and very buttery soft, and they have given 4 varieties of chutney. One is tomato, one is pudina, one is this garlic chutney, and one more is coconut chutney and sambar. And we have crispy vada. You can feel the sound of vada. Karum kurum.
How is the taste of the idli?
Idli is super soft. It's melting in my mouth.
Now we got a big dosa got delivered to us. So let's see how this dosa will
And
taste
here
like.
is paddu.
This is paddu. Guys, we got this sweet pongal, which is the Murugan's famous
We'll
sweet
put
pongal.
all dry fruits. I'm lucky I got kaju.
How is it?
It's hot. It's melting in my mouth. And that creamy ghee and sugary texture feeling. Lot of ghee.
We are done with the breakfast. We are resuming back to our journey. So just to give you some status updates, the time is around 10 a.m. now. So the total distance is 350 kilometers from Murugan, Idli, and the total distance is around 6 hours. So the expected arrival is somewhere around 4 o'clock. That's when, and we have already made just now reservation to Hotel President. So hopefully now we have nothing else since we are already done with the breakfast. So let's see how the ride will be. Hey guys, there is a first accident which we have spotted in our journey. So ride safe. This road is very risky, so ride safe, guys. So guys, we are now approaching towards Salem, and my daughter is watching Elsa. So far we have already completed 200 kilometers. It's not feeling like 200. We have surpassed 200 kilometers already. So buttery smooth ride. Weather is very pleasant and roads are like green and beautiful, neat and clean, as if somebody has cleaned the roads today morning. It's something like that. Amazing journey. Hope to see the Meenakshi Temple very soon. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we are now approaching towards Salem Airport. If you take a diversion on the left side, I'm gonna show you in a couple of seconds. So you will get Salem Airport. I hope you are able to see it in the visuals. The left part is basically, it takes you to the Salem Airport. So from here the Salem city is almost nearby. As most of you know, from Salem you can actually plan and travel to Yercaud, one of the famous hill station. Right. Guys, on the left side is Radisson. So we are now crossing the Salem city. This flyover is a very famous one. Basically, if you on the right side of the diversion of this flyover, this is where majority of places you can connect to. To start with, if you want to go to Munnar, this is my favorite route. I go over Theni, buttery smooth road. So one, you can go to Munnar. Basically, this road will take you to Dindigul. So via Dindigul is basically you can go to Madurai, you can go to Rameshwaram, Dhanushkodi, you can go to Munnar, Kanyakumari. Even you can go to Kerala, the Padmanabha Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram. Even that place also, it is showing this road only. So this is like one famous road diversion in Salem. So that's where we are going now. So time is approximately 12:30. Anybody is hungry?
No, yeah.
Son, are you hungry, baby? What will you eat? Chokis.
Palyam. You told us there some palyam ante.
Guys, we are now near to Dindigul. You can take a look at our I guess this is the last toll for our trip for Madurai. We are just 45 kilometers away from Madurai, and hopefully this is the final toll we are about to have. I don't know why, for some reason here there is no display or naming of the toll name. If you know which toll is this, please comment and let me know. We got one big town which had big temples. So I'm saying all this, guys, because this is my first time in Madurai. Technically it is second time. Last time I had a bike ride in Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi, so I had to go over Madurai, but I haven't been to got a chance to the temple exploratory part. So this is my first time visiting within the city. Share me your experience if you have visited Madurai. How was it? What did you like about this place? Okay guys, finally we arrived to the hotel. This is how the room looks like. So it's a decent one. According to the history of India, Pandyan king Malayadwaja and queen Kanchanmala performed yajna to beget an heir. From the flames emerged a 3-year-old girl with 3 breasts. A divine voice comforted the king and queen, assuring them that her extra breast would disappear when she met her destined husband. The girl named Tadatagai was raised as a prince and trained extensively in martial arts and statecraft. Upon her father's death, Meenakshi was crowned queen. She embarked on a Digvijaya. She easily conquered all corners of the earth and the heavens. However, when she marched to Mount Kailash, the abode of Lord Shiva, to challenge him, the prophecy was fulfilled. The moment she laid eyes on Lord Shiva, she was filled with shyness, and her 3rd breast disappeared, signifying she had met her equal. Realizing that Shiva was her ordained husband, she returned to Madurai. Lord Shiva followed her there as a Sundareshwar, and they were married in a grand ceremony attended by gods, sages, and all of creation. Lord Vishnu, as Meenakshi's brother, travelled from the nearby hills to give her away. The name Madurai is said to derive from the word Madhuram, sweetness. On the day the city was founded, Lord Shiva appeared and blessed the land, and sweet drops of nectar fell from his mated hair onto the town. Today, this immortal romance and divine union are celebrated annually during the grand Chittirai Thiruviza, one of the largest and most vibrant temple festivals in South India. The city of Madurai is planned around the Meenakshi Amman Temple, a monument that reverses the goddess queen as the supreme ruler of the city. If you like this video informational, please leave a like or comment and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for the next part where you're gonna have a lot of surprises with new temples, new cities and new locations. See you then.